In this video, I will be talking about the Capital One QuicksilverOne rewards card for fair credit. I love talking about these credit cards for fair credit because I know a lot of you that have been watching my videos and have subscribed to my channel have started at bad credit, and now you're working your way up to fair credit and then ultimately good credit. So for anybody right now who has fair or average credit and you're looking for different credit cards that you can apply for that will help you build up your credit score, and you're looking for something that has really fair terms, then the Capital One QuicksilverOne rewards card could be just the card you've been looking for. I'll be talking about this card, and I'm going to be talking about the differences between this Quicksilver card and the other Quicksilver card that Capital One offers. Yes, there are two Quicksilver cards, and you have to apply for the right one for fair credit. So we're going to be talking about Capital One Quicksilver versus Capital One QuicksilverOne rewards. So the question you may have is, what is the difference between Quicksilver and QuicksilverOne? They are two different cashback credit cards offered by Capital One. They will both earn you 1.5% cash back. The Quicksilver card, the Capital One Quicksilver card, will charge no annual fee, but you need a higher credit score to get approved. Now, if you have fair or average credit, then the QuicksilverOne rewards card is going to be a perfect fit for you because the criteria to get approved is a lot easier than with Capital One Quicksilver. You need to keep in mind there is a $39 annual fee for the fair credit version of the Quicksilver Capital One card. So that $39 annual fee that the Capital One QuicksilverOne rewards card charges means that you are going to have to spend $2,600 to earn 1.5% cash back before you're going to pay for that annual fee. So now we're going to be talking about Capital One QuicksilverOne versus Platinum. Which is better, Capital One Platinum or Quicksilver? See, Capital One has two credit cards for fair credit, the Capital One Platinum card and the Capital One QuicksilverOne card. And the main difference between these two cards is that the Capital One Platinum card for fair credit or average credit has no annual fee, but it will not earn you any rewards. But what happened with me when I had fair credit, not the best credit, less than perfect credit, was I started out with the Capital One Platinum card, and I ended up product changing it to the Capital One Quicksilver card, not the Capital One QuicksilverOne card. So what that meant to me was I got the card for good credit without an annual fee, the Quicksilver without an annual fee, and I was earning 1.5% cash back. So you have a real decision to make, whether you're just going to start off with the Capital One QuicksilverOne card, pay the $39 annual fee, and start earning 1.5% cash back from day one, or you can go the route of trying to get the Capital One Platinum card for fair credit. You will have no rewards, but after a few months you can request and ask to product change to the Capital One Quicksilver card. So a question I get is, can you upgrade QuicksilverOne to Quicksilver? Yes, you can. Just like the Capital One Platinum card, you can upgrade this card. What you're going to want to do is hold on to this card probably up until you're about to get your second annual fee. Maybe sometime on the 10th, 11th, or 12th month, you're going to want to call Capital One and ask to have your account upgraded. Say, look, I've had this card almost for a year and I've been paying on time. And if you have other credit card accounts, also say that I've been paying those on time as well. And they'll be able to do a quick credit check to see what your progress is and whether an upgrade will be available to you. So I really recommend that if you decide to get this card, or if you have this card now, definitely look to upgrade to Quicksilver. That way you can have that annual fee removed. So now let's talk about Capital One Quicksilver One benefits. Remember, every Capital One credit card offers no foreign transaction fees when you travel or make online purchases that use banks outside of the United States. So having a Capital One credit card, whether you have bad or excellent credit, comes in handy for the simple fact you can just simply use this card and not have to worry about being charged a 3% foreign transaction fee. So that's the first benefit. Plus, there are travel benefits with this Capital One credit card, and these are much of the same travel benefits you'll see with most Capital One credit cards. Another benefit that I found very useful when I was building my credit, because the Capital One Platinum card was my first credit card when I was rebuilding credit, is the fact that if you apply and get approved, you get CreditWise. And what CreditWise does and why it's helpful to you is that it will monitor your credit score. It'll give you a basic idea of what your credit score is and how it's doing and whether your score is going higher or not. So this helps you in the long term to understand when you need to make different decisions and choices for your personal finances. So if your card has been lost or stolen, you are not responsible for any fraudulent charges. So even if you lose your card or it is actually stolen, you have the option of using card lock. You can lock your card in the Capital One app, preventing anyone from using your card. Maybe you lost your card, maybe it was stolen. Lock it and find out. So the good thing about the 1.5% cashback rewards is that your rewards will never expire. And as long as you keep your account in good standing, whatever you have earned in cashback rewards is for you to use. And when I say that, for you to use, that's in any amount. Even if you have 95 cents and you want to apply it to your statement, you can do that. With Quicksilver, you can use your cashback rewards at any time. It's very simple and straightforward from start to finish. Capital One Quicksilver One credit score needed. So you're probably asking yourself, what is the credit score range you need in order to get approved for this fair credit card? I am estimating that you need a credit score of 600 and up in order to get approved for the Capital One Quicksilver One rewards card. Now, if you have this card and you know the exact credit score you had at the time when you applied for this card, whether you got approved or not, let us know in the comment section below. But basically, starting at the point of 600 is the point where people can get approved for this card. And also keep in mind, there are different factors that are considered when a bank decides whether or not they're going to approve your application. One major thing could be that a person may have too many credit inquiries. Capital One Quicksilver One pre-approval. How can you get pre-approved for this offer if you haven't received anything in the mail? First off, if you receive a letter in the mail, that's one way that you're invited to apply for this card. But the great thing about it is that you don't have to wait for a letter in the mail. You can simply go to CapitalOne.com and go to their pre-qualification page, because on that page you can fill it out and see whether or not you can potentially get this card. It's not going to be 100%, but it's going to be very close to 100. You fill it out and they're going to tell you if you are going to be invited to apply for this offer. Plus, this is really good because at this point there is no hard credit inquiry. This is only a soft credit inquiry. So if your credit score is lower and you don't qualify for the Quicksilver One or the Capital One Platinum card, they will offer you possibly the Capital One secured credit card. Now, the thing is with this pre-qualification tool is that they're only going to consider you for 3 different credit card offers. The Capital One secured card, the Capital One Platinum card, and the Capital One QuicksilverOne rewards card. Now, the first one, the Capital One secured card, is going to be for bad credit or less than perfect credit scores, and they're going to require a security deposit for this card, and that starts at $49, which I can't think of any other secured credit card that offers such a low security deposit. And whether you put down a $49 security deposit, whether they require that, the $99 security deposit, or the actual $200 security deposit, you will then have a $200 line of credit. So just in case your credit score is not high enough to get pre-qualified for either the Platinum card or the QuicksilverOne rewards card, you can be offered a credit card, a low-fee credit card to help build that credit score. So I highly recommend their pre-qualification tool because it can really help you get started with building your credit or rebuilding your credit. So check that out and see what you can qualify for all before receiving a hard credit inquiry. If you decide to go with one of their suggestions, you then fill out the complete official application and you will then receive a hard credit inquiry. But if you don't qualify for any of these 3 credit offers, you're not going to see a hard credit inquiry. QuicksilverOne credit limit. So if you apply and get approved, what can you expect for a credit line? Typically, a lot of people, most people will start out with a $300 credit limit. It sounds really low and it sounds like it's too low of a credit limit. But the really good thing with this is somewhere around the 6-month time period, if you make all your payments on time and you're showing good credit history across the board with any credit card you might have at this point or loan, then they're going to reevaluate your situation and give you a credit line increase. Now, when I had the Capital One Platinum card that I did upgrade to the Capital One Quicksilver card, I did get a substantial credit line increase. I started out just like the majority of people with that $300 credit line, and when it came time for their automated credit line increase, they gave me a $2,000 credit line increase, more than what I had before. So my total credit line ended up being $2,300. Now, for somebody that had no credit at all, that was a very generous credit line in my opinion. So the Capital One QuicksilverOne card is going to operate much in the same way. The more you show how responsible you are with this account, the better your credit line increase will be. But if you're saying, well, I already got my credit line increase and it's a year and a half later and I want another one, you can actually go into your Capital One account and there is a tab in there where you can request a credit line increase, or you can call this number over here and that will allow you to talk to somebody and they can review your account and decide whether or not you're able to get a credit line increase. And I can tell you from my experience that they are pretty fair when it comes to credit line increases. They gave me credit line increases a couple of times, but once after a while, they'll start to cap it off. They're not going to give you $50,000 line of credit. They'll find like something 5,000, somewhere around in that area, and then you're pretty much, that's as high as you can go. You could probably go 10,000, but just generally speaking, if you are a responsible card holder, it's very easy to get credit limit increases with Capital One, with any of the cards that they have. Okay, so if you're finding value in this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you could hit that like button. That way I know you guys find value in reviews like this. And if you have average or fair credit and you're looking for more credit cards to help you rebuild your credit or build your credit, make sure you hit that subscribe button and share this video with a friend. Is QuicksilverOne a good card? I think it is. If you have fair credit, I don't think it's too much to ask to pay a $39 a year annual fee, or at least the first year a $39 annual fee, because you get the benefit of earning cash back, and that can help offset that fee. You don't at this point have credit high enough to get many of the different reward cards that are available, but with this card, with fair credit, you can start earning 1.5% cash back right away. So for that reason, I really think it is worth getting this card. You're getting a lot of features and benefits with low fees that ultimately is going to help you rebuild your credit and build your credit fast, because that's the whole point. You want to start getting a good, decent card. If the annual fee does bother you, then go with the Capital One Platinum card. But for the most part, this is a very solid option for a credit card when you have fair credit. I have talked a lot on this channel about credit cards for fair credit, and if you want to learn more, check out my playlist where I talk about various different credit card offers for fair credit. So if you're still not sure about this one, you can check out these others over here and help find the one that's going to be exactly right for you. So do you already have the Capital One QuicksilverOne rewards card for fair credit, for average credit? If you do, please leave a comment below, because viewers are very interested in this card, and let us know what you think about it, whether you like it or not, whether you're really happy with getting this card for fair credit or if you regret that decision. Also, if you know what your credit score was, basic ballpark at the time, feel free to share that in the comments below, because people would like to know where they need to be at in order to get an approval with this fair credit card. So now you know more about the Capital One QuicksilverOne rewards card, whether or not this is going to work out for you. But if you're still not sure, check out my fair credit card playlist over here, where I've reviewed different credit cards for fair and average credit. Thank you so much. I appreciate you making it to the end. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see my future videos. Thank you so much.